So let's begin with the potatoes. A potato salad. I mean, you've made many potato salads, but this is another rendition, which is simple and good. Here I have hot potatoes. They're still just boiled. The Red Bliss, cut them in half, skin on. And when the potatoes are warm like this, and you make a salad with it, it's great. And you even serve it warm because the potatoes take the sauce right in. And, okay. That's great. So what is the dressing? Anchovies. A little anchovies goes a long way. You don't have to put too many. And if you don't like them, you don't have to even include them. But I love them. Parsley. Mustard. Dijon mustard, or you can use that mustard with the mustard seeds in it. Again, this is a guideline. You can deviate. I give you full permission and make it your own. Let's see how much basil. I think that's good enough. And vinegar. It's a salad, so we want to put some acidity. Olive oil. Salt. Now I'm going to think about salt. I have the anchovies, but I'm going to put a little bit of salt anyway in the sauce, and then I'll salt the potatoes as well. But, you just need to salt it a little bit. Okay. And I think, little bits and pieces are perfectly fine because I don't want a whole paste. I want little flakes of the ingredients to show. So let's get to the potatoes. Okay. Salt. And again, keep in mind we salted that, so this is fine. Put the capers right in. And some cornichons. What this brings, of course, it brings the acidity, but also that crunch. When you cook, flavor, looks, aroma, and texture. It's all very important. Okay. And let's get the sauce right in. I think all of this. And then we can correct with some more olive oil. But I think it almost has enough. Okay, it looks nice and coated, nice and juicy. And this is, great family style. You present it family style in a bowl just like that, in a rustic bowl. Put it in the center of the table and let them help themselves. Okay. This looks great. It's glistening. It's still warm. The potatoes are pulling in all of the flavors. I'm going to take one, and I'm going to taste one, just to let you know. Really delicious. You can almost beat me up.